Hey, I'm Sabrina from Inglés con Kilian, working here in sunny Spain for the last 10 years teaching English. Today I want to talk to you about the indirect questions in indirect in English. They can be a little bit difficult for English learners because you spend a long time learning direct questions where you need auxiliaries, you need to invert the sentence. And then with indirect, you have to change again back to original statements. So it can be difficult. So let's just spend a minute practicing. So the verb goes before the noun only in direct questions. For example, what time is it? Or what does he do for a living? The examples you see here. In indirect questions, it's like a normal statement. You don't use auxiliaries, and the structure is like a normal statement. For example, it is wrong to say, do you know what time is it? That's a question. The correct way to say this is, do you know what time it is? Okay. More indirect examples are, do you know what time it is, like I just said, or do you know what he does for a living? If you notice here, does is a verb. There's no auxiliary. So be careful. In indirect questions, we don't use auxiliary and we don't invert like in normal questions. Okay. If you like that, check below. You will see our free ebook to help you improve your English and to help you make a plan with step-by-step instructions and resources to help you improve your English and immerse yourself in English and improve faster than you are at the moment. So.